I think there's a substantial amount of shopping done in December. And in this particular clip, that's what we're doing. Although hindi ako nag-shop nung araw na to. Sinamahan ko lang yung mga cousins ko as they check out clothes for themselves. I actually went with all of my cousins, and all of them are younger than me. And I also went with my parents. So, ayan. Here's us having lunch. And then, wala akong ginawa kundi maging chaperone lang sa araw na yan. But of course, I gotta look cute. So, check out my outfit. I went for baggy pants with a paisley. I believe the print is called paisley. Paisley print top. And just sneakers to be comfortable. Tapos ito na mga bagets. Nagche-check ng shoes. Diba, mana sa akin, indecisive.
Magkano ba yan? Kailangan ko ng lotion. Hindi ka naglo-lotion. Kailangan ko nga.
Ang saya ng experience na to kasi, di ba nga, it's a family affair. Isang angkan kami pumunta and nag-commute lang kami. So, nakakaloka. I think this is the first time na nag-commute kami nang ganito kami karami. Nag-ayos lang ako ng kwarto all morning. Look at my jungle of a room. I still need to tackle this, but at least I've got one corner down. And that corner looks pretty peaceful. So I'm gonna continue my work. Fresh sheets, that's right. I really made it a point to clean my room before all of the events on my calendar start because I won't be able to come home ng 2 weeks. So this is me packing up for everything that I need to go to, everywhere that I need to go to this month. Ayan, diba? Ang daming mga naka-layout na damit. And also makeup and accessories. Won't fit. Goodness. Let's try it again. Hindi ko kayang gawin na isang kamay lang. Wait lang. Sa kahit na anong kailangan natin gawin sa buhay, syempre, ang una-unang nating ginagawa ay mamili ng music. Of course. Here's me wrapping my gifts for my inaanaks. Super cute. Ayan, kina-quality check ko muna. Syempre, nakakahiya naman din sa mga magumagulang na pumili sa akin bilang ninang, tapos nagregalo ako, di pala nagana, diba? Eme. Ayan, ang saya-saya mag-wrap ng gifts. I don't know if it's the OC in me, pero nakakatuwa lang yung pag maayos yung pagka-fold ng lahat. Tapos kapag na-wrap mo na lahat ng kailangan mong i-wrap, so satisfying. just finished wrapping these gifts for my inaanaks. I also wrote them these cute little cards, which I know they won't be able to read yet because they're still very small. Hopefully, when they learn how to read, they can read these cards and remember me through them because I don't get to see them that often. At hindi pa nga doon natapos ang mga wrapping shenanigans because I gave out a lot of gifts to a lot of kids. So, itong mga gifts na to ay puro sa mga bagets lang naman napunta. So, bukod sa mga inaanak, I also gave gifts to children of mga workmates, children of people who are close to me. Yeah, I think it's just very nice to, like, as a kid, have something to open on Christmas Day.
Ano yan, yung flashlight?
Tulad ng London, New York, Dubai, Cape Town.
The hair is done. Now we gotta do the makeup. I'm thinking here para may natural lighting.
Aso, tinapan kita, abroad. Halos kita. Masaya, ibig sabihin.
Ay, oo eh, naka-heels ako eh.
Pag naka-heels ka, bitin na yan.
Ganyan. Okay na siya.
Ako naman, nag-feeling dito. Transfer ng mga footage. Oh, sino ka dyan? YouTuber. Sorry. By this time, natapos na lahat ng work-related year-end parties and social gatherings that I needed to attend to. And I only have a few days left before I go home because I was already on leave for the rest of the year. And I took the time to go out and magmuni-muni lang sa isang coffee shop kasi dual purpose to eh. One, dahil natapos na lahat ng mga ganap for work, so I just wanted to sit down and enjoy my own company, enjoy the peace, the quiet, ganyan. And at the same time, this is like preparation kasi uuwi na ako and I still have things to do when I get home.
Drake, iayos mo tong mga ano.
Paskong Pasko yung kulay, oh. Ah, hindi ko makita. Ito yung nagdala rito.
As I mentioned earlier, I still had things to do when I go home. So it's not like magre-rest lang ako the entire holiday. So, ayan, as you can see, we did a little bit of traveling. I went to Hong Kong with my family and I'm gonna make a separate video for it.
Nagpaayos sila ng alumni test or sa Parenia. Pinili. Okay. Okay,